Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please watch the full video, hit that like button and do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's get started. Welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my channel and then are going to start the video. Open the Pixel app, select the import button, go to the gallery, select a picture, adjust the picture, remove the background, select the erase color, enable button down, adjust the picture, then crop the picture, select the crop option, select the text option, edit by writing, select the size, adjust the size, and then going to font option, adjust the font, select the stroke option, adjust the stroke, adjust the color, copy the letter, select the copy option, change the color, adjust the color, save the letter, adjust the save confirmation, then select the 3D text option, and then select the texture, go to the gallery, select a picture, adjust the picture, change the background, select the color option, adjust the color. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.